Hello everyone. Today we are going to make a project which is automatic street light controller using 555 timer. The components required for this project are one LDR, one 1 kilo ohm resistor, one 470 ohm resistor, one LED, one IC 555, one 10K potentiometer, a battery with battery snapper, few connecting wires and a breadboard. First, take 555 timer IC, keep the notch at the left side and the pin counts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now place IC on the breadboard. Now short pin number 4 and 8 of the IC. Now connect pin number 8 of the IC to the positive rail of the breadboard. Now connect pin number 6 to the positive rail of the breadboard. Now take a 10 kilo ohm potentiometer and place it on the breadboard. Connect terminal 2 of the potentiometer to pin number 1 of the IC. Now short terminal 1 and the wiper terminal of potentiometer. Now take a 1 kilo ohm resistor and connect it between the wiper terminal of potentiometer and pin number 2 of the IC. Now take a LDR, connect its one terminal to the positive rail of the breadboard and another terminal to the wiper terminal of potentiometer. Now take a 470 ohm resistor and connect its one terminal to pin number 3 of the IC. Now take an LED, connect its positive terminal to the another terminal of resistor and the negative terminal to the pin number 1 of the IC. Now take a battery, connect the positive terminal to the positive rail of the breadboard and the negative terminal to pin number 1 of the IC. As you can see, whenever you cover a top of the LDR, the LED turns on. Means whenever the LDR is in a dark, the LED turns on automatically. You can also adjust the sensitivity of the circuit by rotating the knob of the potentiometer. So, this is how you can make an automatic street light controller using IC 555. Thank you.